It's another day, another dose. This is Zolani Makibi, aka Zox Mazoko, and we are back where I'm taking you behind the scenes into my colorful world of creativity. You know the story, Thank you very much for tuning in. If you didn't subscribe, please do. Today is another day, but the same job that we started, and on the previous episode I continued working on this drawing. So today it's the same thing. I will try to push as much as I can, but I need to take it bit by bit. This technique works with patience. I know in these videos I create a time-lapse fast video, but the process itself is not fast. It's very slow. Each line requires patience, each line requires precision. So I try my best to make these videos shorter because I don't want to bore you with the length, but I'm trying my best to give you the process. So yeah, izolezo, without wasting any time, let's get to it.
He's amazing.
Alright, it's about to be more exciting. I just finished this drawing and I'm very excited. Every time I finish a piece, I feel peace inside. Yeah. You see it? Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, right. It's about to be more exciting now. I need to frame it. I need to put a nice frame on it. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick because the video is going to be chop. But yeah. Let's get to it.
He's amazing.
But those who are smart, they understand. The nature must teach you what you are doing.
Itaola. Yeah, just cut the sizes for this frame. I'm gonna use white frames. Why I use white frame is because I don't want the focus to be on the frame, but I want the focus to be on the artwork itself. So that's why I like using white frames more than any other color on these drawings. And another thing is that it fits with any color of the wall. So if you buy this artwork, you want to put it in your house, any color that you have is going to stand out, and it's going to give a focus to the artwork instead of the frame, because a frame is supposed to complement the drawing. It's not supposed to compete with the artworks or the picture that is inside. So yeah, so now let's join it and see how it looks. Away.
He's amazing.
Hey, access. I'll be back.
Hey, what's that?
Hey, brother, what's up, love?
Hey, good right, you now?
Hey, good right, man. Hi, Cherise. Yeah, another one.
Silicone, no silicone.
Silicone, please, silicone. It's the non-reflective, ne?
Okay, what's your size?
1 meter by 1 meter.
That one's gonna be non.
Yeah, non-reflective, 1 meter by 1 meter.
Wanna take the one you don't use today? But they didn't silicone that one, huh?
No, they must silicone that one as well. Yeah.
We asked this morning, I said, I don't know.
Yeah,
I
they
just
must-
know it's a free mold.
Yeah. No, it's fine.
Well, I silicone that one now, and then do this one in silicone. You want this on the meat?
Yes. But you put it here, ne?
Yeah, that is inside.
Inside, yeah.
This one.
Inside that one.
Yeah.
All right. Sharp. Jack Check properly. It's a little bit blurry because it's a non-reflective glass. So when I put the picture, you're not going to see any reflection when looking at the artwork. So that's why they call it a non-reflective glass. So yeah, it's a very expensive glass, but it's worth it if you want the artwork to be more visible. It is what it is. I'm gonna clean it and then we put the picture. Bese, we are done. Ain't that all? Aha! This is it. Ta-da! 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 This is pretty much how it's going to look. But on the drawing itself, I still feel like there's few things I still need to do. But now that the frame is done, I can focus on the final touches on the drawing, and then I'll be able to put the backing board and then just close the frame. But for now, I'm done with the frame. This is what it looks like. I love it. I don't know about you. 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 Thank you very much. Your view means a lot. Comment what you think about the work that we just did. For sure, you've noticed when this video started, I was wearing a different top than this one. It's because I made the video to be fast, but it actually took me 4 to 5 days to get to this point that I'm in now. So I started the continuation of this drawing 4 days ago. So today it was my final touches and the framing itself. So thank you very much, and I hope you like it. I hope you will subscribe, and I hope you will share with others. It's got so chai, I need to go home. But yeah, tomorrow I will do the rest that I need to do. But at least you have seen how I did this drawing from scratch until the end, till the framework. So yeah, thank you very much. Until we meet on the next episode. Danke!